The Roam Mini is an exciting new product from FiberSmart Networks. It is a 204 fiber robotic switch, which enables physical connections to be made through software. The Mini's 19-inch wide 7RU form factor make it well suited for small, space-constrained locations and make it easier to deploy. The Roam Mini is completely self-contained, meaning that the patch panel, control appliance, and all needed components are incorporated into one small unit. Its mounting depth, which is less than 20 inches, makes it highly compatible with most racks, and it is available in single mode or multi-mode. 5G, the Internet of Things, and mobile high-end applications are increasing demand for network and resource configuration activities on the edge and access networks. This shift will require a change from an on-site fiber deployment model to a new capability enabling software control of off-site Layer 0 connectivity. The Roam Mini can enable this software control by providing a fully automated fiber connectivity service to the growing number of remote locations. The benefits are tremendous to the network operators who can now flexibly, dynamically, and easily configure physical connections on their expanding remote fiber network. Its smaller form factor means that it will be much more flexible and cost-effective to the applications that require fiber automation to many remote locations. The Roam Mini saves on time to service and provides reconfigurability and bandwidth allocation to the Layer 0 telco and data center networks of the world. It also fulfills the dynamic demand from the many high-end applications running in remote locations everywhere. The Roam Mini is fiber smart in a small package.